Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the network environment stable. Make sure your Vizio Smart TV and the phone or laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi band. Different bands can block discovery. Once done, update the TV firmware and your casting app so compatibility issues vanish. Restart both devices. A full power cycle clears temporary faults. Also turn off VPNs and personal hotspots. They reroute traffic and prevent the TV from seeing your device. Now open the SmartCast or AirPlay menu to initiate discovery and pairing. Next, you focus on discovery and protocol selection. Power cycle the router, then the TV, then the device, giving each one time to fully boot. This resolves DHCP and multicast hiccups. Make sure your router permits multicast and UPnP and disable AP isolation, otherwise devices cannot see each other. Choose the correct casting method. Use AirPlay for Apple devices and the Chromecast/SmartCast option for Android and Windows. Picking the wrong protocol will fail quietly. If prompted, accept the pairing code on both screens to complete the handshake. To finish, confirm the cast session by selecting the TV from your device and watching for the on-screen confirmation. Accept any PIN. If it still won't connect, perform a network reset on the Vizio to clear stored Wi-Fi profiles, then rejoin the network. As a quick diagnostic, create a phone hotspot and connect both devices to it to isolate home router issues. If nothing works, use a wired HDMI adapter as a reliable fallback. This bypasses network problems. One key tip: try the hotspot test first to pinpoint whether the router is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.